So our first DIY project is going to be of this table. Oh, wow. I love the exposed wood element with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle. And on this channel, we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone, she is placing some wooden pieces around this glass cylinder. I'm guessing she's probably going to do like a vase of some sort with this one. Adding in some little floral pieces. Oh, wow. What a gorgeous spring-inspired candle holder. I absolutely love this idea. So next up we have a DIY table. And as you guys know, this style of coffee tables are very popular right now. And for the most part, I've just seen them being done as DIYs. Whoa, that is absolutely incredible. She did a remarkable job with that. And then we have someone making a desk. So they decided to make their own. Oh, wow. And they kept like the wooden look to it. Oh. Oh, I love the fact that you can separate them and have like a bigger desk for standing. Really cool concept and idea. And then we have another DIY side table. Is this the same person that made the other coffee table? Okay, so she's gluing the base together. We already saw the end result, and obviously she does an amazing job with this one. Now she does do a rounded top, but you could do a square if you wanted to. I think that would look really cool. Very nice and simple, chic and stylish. Next up we have someone repurposing their ottoman. So they have this new fabric that they got. This looks to me like it could be like a curtain of some sort. Oh, wait a minute. She's just laying that on her bed. I thought she was repurposing the ottomans. Okay. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that comforter design. Cozy white chair. So this person is probably using blankets in order to do this. Wow. They did an amazing job. It looks so much more comfortable now too, like the fabric. I wonder how well you can keep that clean though. That's what you really have to ask yourself. Alright, so it looks like we have someone revamping their wall here. They're gonna do like the statement wall trend. Add some texture to the wall with this paneling. Oh, wow. That just instantly upgraded the space. Amazing transformation. Peel and stick. Wait a minute. They have peel and stick wainscoting? Oh, this is crazy. And you could paint over these and make like a really nice high-end look and feel to the room. I might have to look into those. Absolutely amazing. I am loving those wall sconces. Very cool. I really like how this person decorates the gold and the white, the Tom Ford book. This is definitely like my type of aesthetic and feel. And here we have another DIY table. So I've seen a similar DIY project done with the same materials. So they're using the bath mat. I think you can get that at IKEA if I'm not mistaken. So they're spray painting this black. Oh, they're using cardboard. And on a scale of 1 to 10, this definitely doesn't seem like a complicated project. I would definitely put this on like the easier side of DIYs to do. Especially if you want to make like your own coffee table. The way that they did this just came out absolutely just so cute, and it looked so easy to replicate. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you do feel inspired by any of them, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.